Hi there, students. To extol, to praise, to say how fantastic something or somebody is, to exalt, to laud, L-A-U-D, to praise very, very highly, to applaud. So I would like to extol your virtues because you have many. He extolled the benefits of exercise. So he explained why exercise was so good for you. Today, people talk about money as if they were extolling something holy. You can use this verb to extol a deity. So in a religious service or religious worship, the faithful, maybe they extol their God. He extolled her beauty and talked about it at length. I would like to extol the virtues of eating apples. I would like to praise them. I would like to tell you quite how wonderful they are. The press are constantly extolling the skills of Lionel Messi. Okay, so we extol benefits, we extol virtues, we extol merits or skills. Okay? Advertising seems to extol the virtues of consumerism. So if you extol something, you are full of praise for it. You can't say enough good things. Many people extol the way Winston Churchill acted during the Second World War. Or maybe at a medal ceremony where a soldier is presented with a medal. The officer giving the medal extols the bravery of the soldier. He's incredibly brave, braver than a lion. Notice this verb to extol is quite formal. I'd probably give it a 7 or a 7.5. I think in an informal conversation you'd say something like to praise highly, to sing somebody's praises. In something semi-formal or something very formal, to extol sounds like a really good word, yeah? Notice as well, to extol is a regular verb. He extolled her virtues. He has extolled this on various occasions. And notice, somebody extols something or somebody else. So one person praises another. Okay, this word comes from Latin, as do many others. Extollo, to elevate, to raise high up. So if you extol somebody, you raise them up on a pedestal and tell everyone how fantastic they are. The supporters extolled the brilliance of their new leader. Okay, so to extol, to sing the praises of, to exalt, to laud, to praise very highly. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To extol.